Here I am in what's left of Midland, California. I'm camping just down the road at the long-term visitor area, about 10 miles from here. And just out riding around and exploring, and had planned to stay here just one night, but the place is so utterly fascinating. I've been here 3 and maybe stay 1 or 2 more. It's just a little north of Blythe, California, so if I need supplies, it's no big deal. Anyway, been flying the drone, riding the bike, driving around. Like I say, really enjoying this place. Hadn't planned on making a video of it, so shot a bunch of stuff. We'll see how this one turns out. Anyway, that's what this video's about. So enjoy. Supposedly, this is the Midland Museum. It says always open. Wow, it's nice. Look at this. It's beautiful. This is the middle of the desert. Just gorgeous. Tells all about the town. Oh, we gotta sign in. Brilliant. This is incredible. There's a train station. People playing like a school. There's the mine. There's all sorts of treasures here. Wow. Out in the middle of the desert. It's absolutely incredible.
Secondhand, I felt a bit forgotten. Not your plan, but now the days of silence outgrow the fun things we have done. But tell me, do you want to carry on?
Oh, Enterprise Elementary School, Midland, California. Wow, there's a picture of this in the museum with people here and children playing. It's kind of incredible.
Put your head on my shoulder and let's enjoy the ride. When we started, our wishes aligned. We were like yin and yang combined. Now the tables have turned. Can we live and unlearn? You tell me. Plants don't grow without water, and they cave when it's cold. We could go till we're older. Put your head on my shoulder and let's enjoy the ride. Let's just live life. Anything, anywhere, I don't really care, as long as I'm with you. Say something, don't be speechless. I'm sleepless, so alone in this stillness. Oh, I long for you, sweet lady.
So, there he is. It's a fox. You probably can't see him, he's too far. I'm gonna leave it on and see if he can. There, he's just trotting along. A little gray fox. I saw him out my kitchen window.
Turn around when possible.